In this video, I will show you how to design this engaging solar system PowerPoint presentation. Step by step, stay with me and watch the video to the end. Let's start by adding space image as background and cover whole slide. From Insert, select text box to add the title of the presentation. Add any PNG images related to space as you like. I would like to add image for astronaut and space shuttle. Then, adjust the size and location. Add Earth PNG. Put Earth image below the slide like this. Duplicate the slide. Move the images and title to up like this. Move Earth image to the middle of slide and increase the size. Add planet information. Add next planet image under the slide. Duplicate the slide. Delete title and images. Move planets to up like this. Move next planet image to the middle of the slide like this. Change planet information and add the next planet at the bottom. Do the same steps to other planets. On the last planet slide, add all planet images like this. Duplicate the slide. Remove the texts. Then adjust planet's images size and location like this. Copy the title from first slide, then add it to the last slide. Go back to first slide and select all items in the slide. From Animation, select Fly In option. Adjust the animation motion for these items like this. Select all slides. Then from Transition, select Morph Transition option. Enjoy the show!